You come 40 minutes in half and see how this definitely a good cook right here. We're gonna cut this bone right here. Whatever you're comfortable with. Lay it flat. So now we take the breastbone. We're gonna go liberal with the salt everywhere. This is room temperature, so it's easy to work with. Some herb de Provence. And of course lemon pepper for my bird. This is my favorite seasoning for poultry. Alright. This is good. We're gonna apply this to our turkey, okay? All over, like this. That's flip it. Underneath the skin. You can poke it with your fingers and try not to rip the skin apart. Welcome back, friends. Thank you for tuning in again. Today we're smoking a turkey. Thanksgiving around the corner and it's turkey time. So I do have a couple 12 pounders that I prepped already. So this fire been going on for, I'd say, 30 minutes, almost 40 minutes, and it looks like it's ready. I'm gonna close these doors a little bit more, create a cold bed that we're gonna use all day for these turkeys. The wood is wet a little bit from the rain, but there's nothing I can do about that. I've been covering it with tarp, but still water gets into it. It is what it is. Here's our fire. Smoker is coming up the temp slowly. We're gonna move things around a little bit. The fire is ready to cook. Couple of logs in there. So now we're gonna add a little bit of a binder, olive oil. Now we're gonna apply some lemon pepper. I'm gonna cross these legs. So this is good. Birds out on the smoker, and we're gonna let these turkeys cook for a couple minutes at 250. I mean a couple hours at 250 before we come back and check on them. Okay, stay tuned. Wow, we got nice color on these turkeys. Let's get you in close. Alright, so these turkeys, this side is a little done. It's been 3 hours now. We're gonna flip it, rotate these turkeys. This one will go here. That's like that. We do have nice colors on these turkeys. This one especially. This one as well. Now let's see where these turkeys at. 130. Oh, that thing is oozing with juices. So this breast is at 130, 125 at the deepest. You see the thighs is 150. Thighs are almost done. Or 44, 150. Alright, so thighs almost done. One of them is 150, one is almost 160. These are done, 170. See, it's oozing the juices here. The breast still needs maybe an hour and a half. It's at 135 right now. This one is almost at 145. Now I have some ghee. That's clarified butter. I'm gonna apply. That's nice right there. Let's do this one as well. Nice. So turkey been cooking for almost 2.5 hours, close to 3 hours. This one here has a nice color already. I moved it to the back and give this one a chance to cook a little bit. The breast on this one is at 135, 140, but the thighs, I think they're done. Same on this one. The dark meat is done. We'll check back maybe in an hour, and maybe this cook will finish. Start to get in dark already, so hopefully I can finish before it gets dark. See clear smoke on the stack as well. There you go. This is the wood today, and again it's on fire right there. Nice. All right, so we'll check back in an hour, okay? Stay tuned. So here we're doing the last check before this cook is over. Breast is stamping at 145, 150 on the spatchcock one. It needs maybe 20-30 minutes until it's done. On the whole turkey, the breast is still at 140, 144. It needs more time than the spatchcock, but the dark meat is done on both birds. Now we're gonna give it maybe 25-30 minutes for the first one, spatchcock, before I pull it out and call it a wrap for the first one. And I'll meet you on a cutting board when all these birds are done. All right, stay tuned. It's done. Over here I have the spatchcock one. I made one whole on this one. Obviously this one cooked faster, maybe I'd say an hour faster, 45 minutes than the whole. But nonetheless, this cook took 5 hours. The other one, the whole turkey, took maybe almost 6 hours. 12 pounder. To my surprise, this took a long time for a small bird, but it is. Let's dig into it. We're gonna split it in half and see how this bird feels. So we've been cooking at a 275, 250 the whole time. Hey, the drums, the thigh. the wing. And this is the breast. Oh, let's try the breast, okay? Nice. This looks good. Tender. Moist. Definitely a good cook right here. Seasoning, butter, and herbs came through big time. Dry brine did its thing. Very happy with this cook. This is the breast. We're gonna try a piece of dark meat. Right here, we see a little bit of a smoke ring. I can taste the smokiness on this turkey. Not overpowering, just enough. This is beautiful. So spatchcock one did very well. You know, for 5 hours, 5:15. Juicy as you see on the board. And this been rested for 45 minutes, so it took its time. Very nice cook. Very happy with it. Here it is. This is the breast. Very moist, as you can see. Beautiful. Like I said, very happy with this cook. It's our whole turkey. So this one took around 6 hours to cook. Dark meat was cooked, but the breast took a little bit of time. So now we're gonna cut this leg since it's falling apart already. Oh, this one is juicy. I can see the juices oozing out of it. Oh, this one is very tender. We're gonna cut into this breast first, then we're gonna try the dark meat later. So this is our breast right here. One thing I noticed, the spatchcock turkey cooled down faster than the whole. This one still has steam coming out of it, and the rest is pretty much same time. Alright, so this is the breast meat. I can tell it's moist, tender. Flavor is right there. It is more flavorful than the spatchcock one. There you have it, man. Whole versus spatchcock. Spatchcock cook faster, but when it comes to flavor and juiciness and tenderness, I'll take whole turkey over spatchcock anytime. Alright, so this is it for this one. Again, if you like this content, subscribe, share, like, comment, all that good stuff. And happy Thanksgiving. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.